Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to study about k-pattern set mining under constraints, domain data mining. The problem of local pattern mining can be formalized as that the finding the set of patterns, the set of all patterns that satisfy the constraint with respect to the database. Numerous approaches to pattern mining have been developed to effectively find the patterns authoring to a set of constraints, also known as the problem of finding frequent items. We introduced the problem of k-pattern set mining concerned with the finding a set of k-related patterns under the constraints. This contrasts to regular pattern mining where one searches for many individual patterns. The k-pattern set mining problem is a very general problem that can be instantiated to a wide variety of well-known as mining tasks including concept learning, rule learning, redistribution mining, concepts of clustering and tilling. We formulate a large number of constraints for use k-pattern set mining, both the local level that is on individual patterns and the global level that is on the overall pattern set. Building general solvers for pattern set mining problem remains a challenge. We investigate to what extent constraint programming can be used general solution strategy. A mapping of pattern set constraints to currently available constraint programming. This allows us to investigate a large number of settings with a unified framework and to gain insight the possibilities and the limitations of these solvers. The importance of allows us to create guidelines on how to model new problems successfully and how to model existing problems more effectively and efficiently. Data flow diagram for k-pattern set mining under constraints. First you have start the process, then load the dataset. In this process has been select the dataset and load the dataset that has been stored the database value in our system. Then go to the pre-process. Pre-process has been remove the null values and added to the articulation tag of every file. Then go to k-pattern setting. K-pattern settings will find out the k-pattern values of in every columns. Then go to the constraints. The constraint has been create a constraint in each column values. Then go to the instantiation mining. It includes the conceptual learning, rule learning, redistribution mining, and concepts of clustering and tilling. Then go to check the result for individual constraints and the results for checking the coverage constraints values. Then end the process. Project demo for k-pattern set mining under constraints. We have a menu for dataset, pre-processing, pattern setting, constraints, results, model constraints, graph, and exit. First you go to the dataset. You have selected your local dataset items. Now we have selected k-pattern voting text. Load the dataset. View selected dataset files. Then load the dataset into our database systems. Now it's been successfully dataset loaded. Go to main. The next process has been pre-processing dataset. Has been removed null values and also now dataset pre-processed. Then go to main menu. Next process has been pattern setting. First you have get the column values. So database name, k-pattern voting, total number of columns 17. Columns has been 17 columns. First you have select the column name class. Create the class column name has been create pattern values. Create pattern value. This is the general pattern values for republication, democrat. This is the column name pattern values. Total number of rows has been 435. Then next process is the heuristic pattern values. To find out these values has been general for heuristic pattern values. Select rebubblician and democrat has been pattern values. Constraint. And also the class is a global constraint. Get constraint. Constraint value. This is a create constraint. Our created constraint value is the democrat and rebubblician. Constraint count to pattern values also rebubblician and democrat. Constraint search. Next process where constraint search has been searched constraint has been put on the modeling pattern constraints. The insertion mining has been concept learning and rule learning, redistribution mining and concept clustering and tilling values. Insertion minings. Democrat has been at the tag file of at 0. Republication as a tag file of at and 1. Then until this process has been till the 17 columns. These are local pattern values. First we have select the global pattern values, name is a class. Now we have select local pattern values, these 16 columns. First we have select this handicap difference column name, create pattern, set the pattern values, this is the column name values, create the heuristic pattern values, no question mark and yes. Create constraint, get constraint values, constraint search, generate the modeling pattern constraint, insert mining, go to pattern, select that, create pattern, pattern values, heuristic pattern value, create constraint, get constraint value, constraint search, get the modeling pattern constraint, instantiation mining, go to get pattern. The last frequent value is at 49. Now we have inserted mining has been created successfully. Then go to the result. View result. In every column has been this is a class name. Column this is a column name class. Second column name handicapians. Three constraints y, n, question mark. In each pattern values has been put on at tag values of 0, 1. Now democrat value equal to 0, rebubblician value 1. Also handicapians friends no means that value is 3. Handicapians friends value question mark means that value is a 4. In every column has been created a constant and each values has been numerical values. This is our data set. This is our result. In each value has been put 0, 1, 1 in class value. Handicap has been 3, 4, 2. Water project sharing has values 6, 7, 8. If you are searching that value, you can easily search for constant. Democratic means 1. Search if democratic means 0. Go to main menu. Now we have calculated a result for modeling constraint. First you have individual constraint values. Pattern column, class handicaps, water projects. These are 17 pattern columns. Select first class. This is a global variable, global patterns. In class column has been global pattern value, frequency values 1, each frequency value is 168, and 0 has been frequency values 267. Then go to handicapped fans. Constant values are 3, each frequency value is 236. Constant value 4 means frequency value is 12. Constant value 2 means frequency value is 187. Next go to the coverage constraint. Propagation value, global constraint pattern column, local constraint is the coverage value for global constraint. Total propagation value is 50. A tag of every file. Has been 50. 0 to 49. Global constraint pattern. Select the global constraint values as the class column. Local constraint has been another columns. The coverage value for global constraints. Global constraint values are 0 and 1. Each constraint has been 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. These values are global constraints. 0 equal to these values. 1 equal to these values. 3, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 35. So 1 equal to these values. Then go to graph. Reckless is the dataset process. Dataset constraint process meaning. Then existing is a very large issue of database. Proposed is low requirements and low frequency sets. Thank you for watching this video.